Too many people, guys, near St. Basil's Cathedral, and in Zariati also crowds of people. That is, guys, the Skybridge, или парящий мост. And it is full of people. And that is, guys, Раушская набережная, Раушская Embankment, number 10. And we go with you in the direction of that bridge because I have to cross the road, because the bridge that I planned to use, so that bridge is closed. So that is approximately 1 kilometer extra, or maybe 2 kilometers, because I have to go back. But the weather is great, guys, so it's not a problem to walk. Продажи билетов на борту 600 рублей. So the price of the ticket $10, guys, approximately $10, and you may come just on board the ship and buy the ticket. The floating bridge, парящий мост, or Skybridge, I don't know how to call it, a very popular place with tourists. Zariadi is very popular with tourists because there are great viewpoints, but if you would like to take picture with the Kremlin view, it's better to come in the morning here because the sun will be in your face. If to come in the evening, so the picture will be not very good because the sun will be in your camera. And that is, guys, a very famous Stalin skyscraper. We have 7 such skyscrapers. One of them is used by a hotel. One is just the living apartment complex where people live there. And here the ship makes a turn and goes back. That must be the end of the route. Some people like when I use music in my vlogs, some people dislike it. So guys, if I may leave the natural sounds, the city sounds, I do this. If the wind, if some kind of music is playing on the background, so in this case I put my music because the sound of the wind is horrible. And as for music, well, in this case YouTube blocks the video. I can't use any music in my vlogs. As for the music, I buy it. And very often, guys, people ask me to use some Russian music. Unfortunately, guys, I can't do this because all the music I buy in Epidemic Sound Library, and they do not have Russian music. YouTube also doesn't have Russian music, Russian melodies. That is why I try to use music without songs, well, just the melody. Some church here, I don't know the name, but we may check in Google. Yeah, I think we shall cross here. I see the people on the bridge, so it is possible. And then, guys, we shall go back to Zariadi in that direction. So guys, we are with you successfully on the bridge. It wasn't very easy because I had to cross this road illegally. There is no pedestrian crossing, but there were no cars and a small group of people decided to cross the street. I joined them. So it was illegal, guys, do not do this. But that is very stupid not to make the crossing here, because to find how to cross the street, it is to go some extra 2 kilometers. Here, guys, as you may see, even the lights and the crossing, so I don't know why they did nothing on that side of the embankment. So guys, we left with you the bridge over there and now go in the direction of the embankment. Not a very picturesque area, yeah. Almost the sunset, guys. 6 o'clock at the moment, and I started to travel from Polyanka at approximately 4, so 2 hours ago approximately. Here, guys, also the mechanical scooters. It must be very popular. A group of tourists deciding whether they need them or not. Guys, you do not feel it, but it's very difficult to breathe here because of the engines. Phew, the horrible smell. Look how many people. So guys, I think that we shall leave with you the embankment here and go to the ready park, that is the crossing. And from there we shall go in the direction of Lubyanka. One more view of the river. That is strange, guys, but the city is called Moscow and the river is called Moskva, the Moskva river. But in Russian it is one name, Moskva, город Москва and река Москва. But in English the names are different. Moskva river, but Moscow city. I don't know why, but the names in English are different.